niya. Pinapagilid namin kasi mas mahal siya pag binibili kasi binibigyan namin ng
Pinipit-pit? Paano ba?
ilalagay doon. Iba na may naranasan pero gagawin daw namin yun yung sa amin.
Their kitchen, they cook here as a group. Diba? Kailangan. Dito ba kayo nagluluto ng as a group?
Oh.
They cook here as a group. Example, they are 15 when the sun come or there is a class. They cook here as a group.
Here's a cooking.
Yeah, so
We use wood.
wood like that.
Mm-hmm.
They put fire, then this the rice.
Kalakal namin yung mga
Like this. They don't have even though salt from the I think. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, this one. From the work. This one, like this.
Mm-hmm.
yung plato namin yung
And-
naon ng sabi.
Yeah. Sometimes their plate using
Takip lang.
And you're sleeping here too.
And afternoon.
And afternoon.
If dito kasi kami kakain pag
Yeah.
tanghali. So dito na kami matutulog para diretso sa work.
So they eat
Kasi
as a group here in the lunch, in the dinner time.
Okay.
Then after that, they take a rest for a while, then work again. After that.
Okay.
Kasi yung naka-dorm kasi kami. Binigyan naman kami ng dorm ng
Yeah. They stay in a dorm, but they pay 7,000 for that
Retain the dorm.
yeah
Bawas sa
account.
account.
7,000 is very big. Their stuff. Baka kasi ngayong araw na to, kapag na-complete na edit namin lahat yan, papadala din namin kagad yan sa doon sa Japan. Kaya kapag nakita ng mga Japan yan, ang sabi nito mga kaibigan ko, makakasigurado na baka magagawa nila ng talaga ngayon, ng paraan ngayong din. Maganda kasi kung